2, 3.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahmudullah and today we are at a playground and their playground is very big. There are many types of games there. You can see cricket, football, volleyball, etc. etc. You can see on that side they are playing mini football and many games. On that side they are playing football, cricket, and on that side they are playing cricket, and the field is very big. You can see this is an enjoyable moment of every kid because the fields are the main reason in our playing games, because in the cities there are no fields, not much fields. That's why the kids cannot play and cannot do their activities at right time on evening. Guys, that's the importance of the field. Now I am at the Khulna Shiromoni Abashik area field. Okay,
Residential area.
Residential area field. Okay guys, that's for all. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.